Hey, I'm Fish. I'm with the anamorphic lens, amorphic. I can't pronounce the word. And it's the Xtra Muse. Now I'm on video mode 4K. Yes, indeed. Let's get on vlogging, get on talking. I wanted to grab the 360. I wanted to do the Xtra Sphere and the Insta360 X5. I'm just not ready for it. I need to always adjust down on my gimbal. What happens if I hit the joystick button once? What did it do? Did it do anything for me? Well, let me move it over a little some, get this shot right here, hit it once again. I gotta learn my Muse. I gotta keep on learning my Muse. I'm like, what do they call it? Lower thirds? I'm glad I don't have to remember everything. I have my camera set up on a default rotation speed. There is slow, not sure, and fast. I guess the default we call medium. So let's ask, if you do subject tracking, face tracking, and you have it on default, is it better to have it on slow, default, or fast? Would you get a smoother shot on slow? Because default, maybe it's not working for me. I gotta turn this bad boy around, and maybe there's a bike seat for me, because there's 3 bikes just dumped like so. No, any parts I need, got tires, broken seat. I could probably use that bike, give it to Sis. This is a nice style bike, but it's all taken apart. Man, you just trash all over this place. I guess it's called the trash can. Watch out for the tree, Fish. I know somebody likes that shot. I got a video on here and I didn't charge my camera up and I'm using it down. And yeah, I got finished off 2 reviews on here. And I believe one is a outdoor 20-inch ceiling fan and the other are solar 300 wired LEDs that, you know, they're supposed to blow in the wind like fireworks, and you really can't bend the cable to have it the way it is. Starlings out. I used to have some birdhouses and the starlings used to nest in them. Now I got finches. I built a birdhouse and squirrel gets in there, but I built a new birdhouse and squirrel can't get in there anymore because I put something metal in the front. The only thing I didn't do is put a camera so you could see what the birds are doing. I got 2 more products to do. I got a Wi-Fi extender. That's not going to be too hard to do. And I got a beach umbrella. Right now, not with what I'm wearing. Maybe tomorrow, the next day, when the weather is in the 70s. But maybe today I could get it done. Not a big deal. Just got to make sure when the tide is low, I could get it in. We'll get on now. We'll start to use the Boy of Magic. The Boy of Magic came out about a year ago. And man, it's a wonderful mic. It does a great job. Artificial intelligence, 70,000 plus. You got a test on that bad boy. And it does a fantastic job. The only thing that it can't work with is the Xtra Muse, the DJI Pocket 3, for example, as a Bluetooth connection mic, not as a USB-C mic. It can be used with the USB-C ports, but not Bluetooth because these companies block all other companies' Bluetooths. That's how it is. But you have to remember, it don't have a Bluetooth signal on the little mic. It has it on the dongle part that transfers Bluetooth over. I want Boya to come out with a small Bluetooth wireless mic that can work wirelessly only. That's what I was saying. I'm in the park area, getting ready for my highlighter to talk. And yeah, I didn't take the Xtra Addo with me today, or the Xtra Sphere, like I said before. We're gonna put it on the swing or something metal. And yeah, we got like 3 of these things here, and they all resemble the same. Couldn't there be a change up on these things, or maybe some adult exercise machines in the park? I'm like so bright. I want to swipe, load myself down. Negative, positive 2 EV? I gotta put my glasses on and recheck my EV value. My battery just went like from 21 down to 10%.